excited.
Sorry, I'm muted. Wait, so is Jessica here?
Yeah, Jesse, I'm here. Yeah, so hi everyone. It's Team Justice League here. We're one of the two teams, part of League. So we all know that today we weren't able to meet in person, unfortunately, but we know that soon enough, showing proof of having received the COVID-19 vaccination is going to be a growing reality for all of us, wherever we go. So whether that be the gym, the movie theater, etc. And for businesses and organizations, ensuring the safety of employees and the public is going to be a priority as well. And so on the next slide, that is why we've created COVID-19 Passport. So that's the new and optimized way to verify to others around you that you are fully COVID-19 vaccinated. So as a team, we brainstormed the list of pain points for individuals and organizations, and we established two main goals for our app solution. So one is to create a seamless user experience for individuals by reducing the time and stress involved in verifying themselves as being fully vaccinated. And for businesses, we want to minimize the time it takes at the point of verification to verify every visitor's vaccination status. So I'll pass it off to Nancy.
Yeah, so just like Jesse said, we started with brainstorming with problems, and we came up with two solutions with two main flows, which is individuals and organizations. So on the right mockup, you can see you can enter either if you're just one user or if you're just businesses or owners. This is a process of low fidelity wireframe, and then the first iteration of the hi-fi mockup. So for individual user flow, we will later explain in details and later in demo. And so you can see the users could build their profile by entering their vaccination proof, upload their PDFs, and get verified and generate the code, so they can bring the code anywhere to the restaurants or businesses events. On the organization side, the businesses side, so they enter as an organization. They have their company auth code, so you can see their dashboard. They scan every participants or visitors, and they could potentially see their records having like 2 doses, 1 doses, and so that's the main process for organization. And I'm going to head off and turn to Daniel for our live demo. Maybe I'll stop share. Daniel will share screen.
Awesome. All right. So over here is going to be our little mock-up proof of concept. I'm going to have 2 tabs open just so I can go through the individual and the organization. So as an individual, I come to this profile. I can put in my name. It's auto-filling. That's unfortunate. I'm doxing myself. Happens to the best of us. So we're just going to put in some dummy data there. I build my profile. I come to this upload passport. I'm going to choose a file, put in a random file. Eventually, this would parse the vaccine receipt and actually check that it's valid. It's 14 days. It has 2 shots. For right now, it's just any file upload. And now when I click upload, it's going to do a handshake with the server. And the server is going to generate what is effectively the same as like a 2-factor authentication code. And that 2-factor authentication code is going to cause this QR code that is now showing to update every 30 seconds, the same way that, say, a pin on your phone for like logging into Gmail would happen. And then over here for the organization flow, hello, it is me. We pull up a camera access. I can point it at my QR code, hit scan. My QR code has been validated, so that means it's been seen on the server, and it recognizes this as like a valid QR code. We could watch for a little bit and see if it updates. It depends where in the 30 seconds we are. And then if you want to go through and look at all the data of people that you've scanned, you've got view data over here, you've got my test data, but we're keeping an identifier, your name, your phone, your email, and the time that you arrived just in this proof of concept. Ideally, this would be kind of stored in the cloud so that you could access it for like an entire organization, but right now everything is just local. And yeah, that is about it.
Thank you, everyone.
Cool. Yeah,